guys, so I'm going to be doing a video of all my American Girl doll fridge and freezer foods. I did a part 1 of all the pantry foods that are in this box, so check that out. So first, it's kind of messy in here, but okay. I'll start down here with the bottom stuff. Okay. So most of this stuff I made. Yeah, all of this stuff I made. Okay. So this is made out of looming rubber bands, and it's just some French fries. This watermelon charm, which I use as food. This unicorn cookie, that's what I call it. This Domino's cookie, that's what I call it also. This little popsicle. And then this popsicle. And this donut, which is a rainbow donut. And then I have this popsicle. Sorry if you can hear that. My mom's watching The Voice. I have this popsicle pack, which is like these. We're out of it. Not really, because it's like way cheaper, but hey, who cares? I have these crinkle cut French fries, these Eggo homestyle waffles, this Dr. Pepper, this shredded mozzarella cheese, and then this like already cooked dinner that I can just put out, and then this pizza. Oh yeah, and like sticking to the side, it was like this, but just Lunchables. I just like put all the big stuff on the bottom. And then this pizza is made out of clay that I made out of bread and glue. So that's what's in that little bottom drawer. Then on this shelf, oops, sorry. Okay, on this shelf, I have this, oops, wrong side. These two little burgers, which have a bunch of little different foods on them. This one, the top can come off. This one, it can't, but so cute. I made these out of clay. I made the clay and the foods. Then I made these hot dogs that have nothing on them, so bare. This one's all fat, and then this one's all skinny, but these hot dogs, that's the only thing that's on that shelf. Then on the top shelf, so much is on the top shelf. Okay, not really, like 5 things really. Which is like the freezer part. I don't know why these were in the freezer. Sometimes I do freeze these and eat them like popsicles. Weird, I just like get it out of the packet and eat them like popsicles. Okay, now enough about me. I have these wild cherry juice boxes. This healthy choice, like microwavable meal. This turkey and American Lunchable. This Red Baron classic crust. This smoked bacon packet. Another smoked bacon. And these Go-Gurt tubes, which in my house we do freeze these sometimes. What? And the tape is like getting bad, but it's a Go-Gurt tube. Okay, so those are all my fridge foods. This one was way shorter because I don't have as much. But yeah, well, fridge and freezer. That's that. I hope you like this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.